Hope you all have prepared well for the coming examination, that is PET. So let's start the video because time is very less and we have to cover number of questions are more, and we have to cover these questions very fastly. So let's start the video. So the first question is, the only state of India where common civil court provision is applicable. The correct answer is Goa. Goa. Okay. Who was the chief guest of Republic? Okay, leave this question. Instead of this, you can mention here 2021 chief guest in Republic Day, but I think nobody has come, so this question will not ask. So ignore this question. Who is the founder of computer? Charles Babbage is the correct answer. Then minimum age required to become a member of Rajya Sabha. Correct answer is 30 years. The NABARD was established in which year? So it is established in 1982. Then who among the following was the first Nawab of Awadh? This is a good question, generally asked in all UP exams. So correct answer is Sadat Khan. Sadat Khan is the first Nawab of Awadh. Next question is, the World Environment Day is celebrated on, so it is celebrated on 5th June. Then the turbulent year, that is 1980 to 1996, is written by Pranab Mukherjee. Very good book. If you find this book, then read. Very nice book. Who was the man of series? Okay, leave this question. How many women members were in Indian Constitution Assembly? So it's a 15. Then Law and Safari in UP is situated at, it is situated at Etawah. Famous Charkula dance is associated with, so it is associated with Braj Bhumi. Next question is, which one of the following is the primary sector of Indian economy? So primary sector of Indian economy is the industry. Who was the chairman of 7th Pay Commission? Ashok Kumar Mathur is the chairman of 7th Pay Commission. Export Import Bank was set up in the year, so it was set up in the year 1982. 1982. Who is the first Indian woman to win as Asian Games gold in 400-meter run? So it's Kamaljeet Sandhu. The first meeting of SAARC was held in, answer is Dhaka, Bangladesh. Which of the following country won Davis? Leave this question because it is 2015 question. But yeah, instead of these, like prepare for your Wimbledon Cup, and who is getting Olympic questions will generally asked in the coming examination. So just go through all Olympic winners, how much gold, how much bronze they from India and from other countries got. So this will helpful. Next question is, which is the first district court in country that is fully powered by solar energy? So the correct answer is Khunti. Khunti is the first. Who adopted the policy of iron and blood? So Balban has adopted the policy of iron and blood. The Sultan was a ruler of Mysore. Then the 52nd Amendment of Constitution of India deals with defection. Defection means दल बदल से होता है कि यहाँ से वहाँ, मतलब एक पार्टी से दूसरी पार्टी को चेंज करना, is the 52nd Amendment of Constitution. Who wrote the famous song सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा? So correct answer is Mohsen Mohammad Iqbal. Pali movement is related to, it is related to Tamil Nadu. Next question is, where is the Bharat Kala Bhavan situated? It is situated at Varanasi. First National Human Development Report was issued in 2002, in the year 2002. The biggest inscription in Ashoka's main inscription is 13th. 13th is the biggest inscription in Ashoka's main inscription. Okay. The state where there is no regional rural bank. So it's Sikkim. Sikkim is a state where there is no RRB bank. Sex ratio in Uttar Pradesh according to census 2011 is 9:1:2. The smallest country of the world is Vatican City. In Sindhu civilization, residual of horse bones were found in. It is found in Surkotada. Surkotada is the correct answer. Then Grenada is situated in China Sea. In the second nationalization of commercial bank, dash banks were nationalized. So how many banks? 6 banks were nationalized. Which one is artificial port? Artificial Chennai is the artificial port. Literacy Award Bharat Bharti 2000. Okay, leave this question. Uh, Next question is the island known as the land of golden fleece is called Australia. Which of the following is a classical dance of Uttar Pradesh? Kathak. Which country does not exist in BRICS? BRICS का कौन सा इसमें हिस्सा नहीं है? So Bangladesh is not the part of BRICS. Which committee recommended for the three-tier Panchayati system? So it's a Balwant Rai Mehta committee. Option D. Then Hriday Yojana is related to National Heritage Development. The first International Yoga Divas was celebrated on 21st June 2015. The official bird of Uttar Pradesh is Saras. Which of the following is not a constitutional body? So, Planning Commission is not a constitutional body. Who published in Hindu Prakash in 1962? So, Justice Ranade has published this Hindu Prakash in 1962. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Museum and Library is situated in Rampur. The birthplace of Amir Khusro is Kasganj. Good question. Which belongs to hardware in computer? Hardware, CD-ROM. CD-ROM is the correct answer. ALU stands for Arithmetic Logic Unit. The new high courts are Meghalaya, Manipur and Tripura. So these are okay. Next question is which one is not rightly matched? So vitamin C is called ascorbic acid, vitamin D is retinol, where this is a wrong match. Vitamin B1 is the thiamine, correct. Vitamin K is nattoquinone, it is also correct. So vitamin D is not retinol, it is calciferol. So this is a incorrect match. The mirror used in the motor vehicle to see the side object is convex mirror. Stainless steel is a mixture of iron, nickel and chromium. Iron, nickel, INC. Stainless steel is a mixture of INC. In this paper, the GS question are and maths question are mixed. So it will take some time. Who invented penicillin? Penicillin was invented by Alexander Fleming. Then Petylene enzyme is related to saliva. The ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water by weight is 1:8. Industrial Toxicological Research Center is situated in Lucknow, that is IITR. Which vitamin is not soluble in fat? So vitamin B and C is not soluble in fat. Other are soluble in fat. Blood group O is called universal donor. Firstly, who used ecosystem word? So A.G. Tansley has used this ecosystem word. Photosynthesis reaction convert light energy into chemical energy. This type of conversion of process also asked in exams. Which is not a polar compound? So CCl4 is not a polar compound because it has which is not a polar compound. HF, okay, because this has polar dipole moment. HF also, water also having dipole moment. So CCl4 is tetrahedral. It does not have a dipole moment, so it is not polar. What are the primary colors? Primary colors are like red, blue, and green. So all of the above. So shortage of which element causes goiter disease? So iodine. Which of the following is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes, which is situated in our ear, is the smallest bone in human body. Magnetite is Fe3O4. What is the cathode in dry cell? Zinc is the cathode in the dry cell. Which one is the lightest gas in the following? So lightest gas is a helium because it is an inert gas. The head office of ISRO is situated in Bangalore. BARC is situated in Trambe. Next is the study of wound is known as traumatology. Traumatology is the correct answer. Which of the following study is related with the pediatrics? Infant diseases is related with pediatrics. Ricket is caused by deficiency of which of these like vitamin D? Myopia is related to distant object not which are not visible. जो दूर की चीज़ें होती हैं वो मायोपिया होती हैं और जो पास की जो चीज़ें हमें नहीं दिखती हैं दैट इज़ हाइपरमेट्रोपिया. What is invented by Alfred Nobel? Everybody knows dynamite was invented by Alfred Nobel. Insulin is a type of hormone. Sound intensity of a musical instrument is measured in decibel. Correct answer is decibel. Then the blood bank of human body is known as the spleen. Latent heat of ice is 80 calorie per gram. Baking powder is sodium bicarbonate. In which disease vaccine BCG is used? So it is used for tuberculosis. Then the last question is dynamo convert energy, mechanical energy into electrical energy. So these are the questions. Just comment how many questions you are knowing correctly and write it down there. And I hope you will prepare good. So if you like this video, just subscribe my channel and share, subscribe with your friends. Thank you.